Oh wow. Oh wow. This is how it looks. Try this one ASAP because the formula is just amazing. Like just hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. I'm so excited to share with you all some of the new products that I got. Some of them are skincare, some is makeup. I think almost everything is so good that you cannot miss out. So this is the video for the products that are actually good, that are new in the market, and you can definitely try all of them. Also, if you guys are new over here, you can follow me on my Instagram. There I post like a literally different sort of content. So yeah, let's get started with this video. And first product that I am talking about right now is something that I've applied on my lips, is this K Beauty's lipstick. It's their Hydra Creme lipstick. Oh my god, the way this lipstick has always been on my feed, and the hologram, like what are you saying? This is the moment I got this product and I saw this hologram, I didn't use this lipstick for a day. I kept it like something very luxurious in my like collection because it is actually very heavy. It feels like you have bought something which is literally around 1000 or 1200. And I've got the shade Sage, which I have on my lips right now. I can give you a swatch on my hand. Like, this is how it looks. Such a perfect shade. It is so hydrating because I will always be a creamy lipstick paglu and I cannot stop using a hydrating lipstick, something which is absolutely comfortable on my lips. Like, it is also giving me that glossy effect, and I love this lipstick for that. Like, K Beauty is the only brand that is going successful in the Indian market in terms of the celebrity owned brand. Next, I have this moisturizer from CeraVe, which is their HA water gel, which is very hydrating, very lightweight, very like watery texture. The moment I take it, like just look at it and I just apply, and it just melts in my skin. I love how it does not give me any sort of oiliness on my face. It is very watery and hydrating, and that's why I am loving this moisturizer whenever I'm doing my nighttime skincare routine. I just pair it with my retinol. Like, this is like my new favorite one, and I think it's been only like a week or two since I've been using this. Next, I have this skin tint from Earth Rhythm, and I cannot stop talking about it. I have been using this over the past 3 weeks daily basis because I'm going to my office, and I'm going to show you this right now, how it is so better than the Dot & Key skin tint, because Dot & Key doesn't really have like a major coverage. It gives you only a 10 to 20% coverage. This is lightweight and gives you almost 40% of the coverage. Like, you will instantly see the radiating skin. Like, it is bit, the formula is liquidy, but not that it will start melting like water. It literally settles with your skin. Like, you can easily see the difference, how my skin earlier was, how it is. It has made like a major 30 to 40% change, and which is why I'm saying why I use this on daily basis. I love this one. This is in the shade Vanilla. I think the only thing which is a problem is that they have 3 shades available. Vanilla is the lightest one, and they have 2 other shades, but you can try it for yourself if you have like skin color like me. Even if you have like a medium skin tone, then also try this shade only, because I think the middle one can make your skin little darker, duskier. And try this one ASAP because the formula is just amazing. I am saying to you, I use it on daily basis. I just come back home, I remove it from like my micellar water, and this does not irritate my skin. It goes well with my daily basis. Sometimes I've seen that when I come back, my skin is still glowing after 6-7 hours, which is just amazing. Can you see my face, how glowy it is? Is because of this product. So go ahead and buy it right now. This is hands down the best one right now. Now comes the moisturizer from Dot & Key, which is their basically niacinamide and ceramide moisturizer. I'm currently experimenting with moisturizers. I've stopped using like serums for some time because I want to test out how they work. And this is like an oil-free moisturizer. My scalp actually gets very oily, and because of that my face also feels sticky, and that's why I need an oil-free moisturizer. It smells very good. I've used it only like twice, but I got this little spatula with this, which is, oh, like, let me give you a swatch on my hand, like how good this is. Again, very lightweight. I feel like both the CeraVe and the Dot & Key has the similar sort of formula, and Dot & Key has been a good brand in terms of considering products under budget, and the packaging itself is so enchanting. Like, you really want to buy something like this that looks like this and also performs very well. I have another product from Earth Rhythm that I am literally pairing it up. I have used it for my cheeks, and I will show you. The pigment is insane. Like, the pigment is amazing. Like, it has so much color to it, and the best part, it is a very long lasting one. Like, just good. and on my lips it looks stunning. I've already made a video on that. I think the color is literally similar to the one that I'm applying, but I will show you a swatch on my hand so you guys get an idea. This is how it looks. It's a bit darker, but because it is a tint, you're going to rub it and it is just going to give you that flushed look. It is not like darker. It is not actually darker on your lips. Like, let me show you. Like this. And then I'm going to show you with this also. This is a nice pop of pink color, which is a bit on the darker side. It's not like a light pink sort of a shade. Like, just look at this. This is like a major change for me as someone who loves a nude lipstick. I have literally converted into a pink lipstick person. Like, both of these lipsticks that I use are pink. But just look at it, how amazing it is. I thought of buying a nude one, and guess what, guys? This shade, nude shade, actually washed me out. So I would not recommend you, whoever has pigmented lips, or even if you don't have a pigmented lips, to buy this particular shade. I think this is nude. You might get an idea on my hand, but on my lips, like, you can get an idea that it will wash you out. The color is very, very light, and I think it's a major mistake that I've done. So I don't know how will I use it, because I think I can try to use it on my cheeks but not on my lips. This one is hands down the perfect one, but the formula is just amazing of these skin tints. I have one more product from Earth Rhythm that surprised me so much because of the kind of packaging it has. Like, just look at it. This is the Earth Rhythm's Mochi Pudding Cleanser. So sometimes I want to remove like the gunk of my face. I don't want like a normal and very like gentle cleanser. I want something that works as a good one to remove the makeup in one way, and it is just good. Like, I will show you a video of the time I've used this. It is like literally on the thicker side. You have to have like water on your skin, then you use this product and just rub it like this. And I feel like this can be a product which you can use instead of using a two-step cleanser while removing the makeup, because it removes the makeup very quickly and it also cleans your face so good. Like, this is something that I love about this product, and that is the reason why I got a thicker cleanser, to get rid of like too much makeup whenever I have too much makeup on my face, or something like layers of makeup. Like today I have applied sunscreen, moisturizer, and then I've got the skin tint, so I need something like this to apply on my face. And even I have changed 2-3 lipsticks today, so for that I need this cleanser for literally my kajal, for my eyeliner and anything. I got it like a week back only, so since then only I've been testing out and I loved it. I use it twice only right now, but I'm enjoying this product right now. If you are someone who applies makeup on daily basis, you need something like this. Let's talk about some interesting product from Maybelline. They are the Maybelline's Lifter Gel. Before I talk about if they are good or not, I just received them last night. I tested out on my lips. I'm gonna show you guys how amazingly glossy finish they give. Like, let me just remove my lipstick and give you guys an idea about these. Basically, if you have a matte lipstick on, you can just add it. Like, this one is literally glittery one. I think I can tell you the shade. I have the shade 002 Blue Boba, and I have the shade 006 Strawberry Shake. Obviously, I'm excited about this, but I'm also excited to test out if the glitter actually looks on your lips. I'm going to remove this cap and I'm going to just do this much, and the product is actually out. Let me take a little bit out, and oh wow, what the hell just happened? Wow, I think it has got some sort of a pink tint. This is the reason why I love using Maybelline products. Look at it. Wow, what an amazing glossy finish. Like, if you are a glossy girly, you definitely need this. I am in shock. You guys can see on my lips, they were actually without a lipstick. And do I need a lipstick? I don't think. They have done the work for me, and I'm sure the pink one is going to look more better than this. It is going to give me a tint as well. I would like to use this over my Maybelline lipstick only and would want to pair this. But for now, let's test out the pink one. This is actually washing me out. It will look much better with a lipstick than without a lipstick. This one is something which I enjoyed more. So I would want to try something with my nude lipstick, which is this one from Hilary Rhoda. I use this lipstick so much. It is about to get empty. Like, let me apply this. Yeah, now it is looking good. I think it will lighten your existing lipstick because this shade is on the lighter side. Now it is looking amazing. Like, oh wow, I love the fact that I will do this and it will go down. Like, the product which is out will actually go inside. This is how it is looking with my nude lipstick. I think now I get the concept. It goes well with your lipstick. So if you have like a really nice pinky lipsticks, you can use this without a lipstick. I feel like they are going to work out, but for someone like us who have a little bit pigmentation going on and have dual tone lips, we have to use the lipstick to use this product. But I'm actually surprised with this new thing from Maybelline. So yeah, this was it for today's video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. It's been the longest since I've shared something new with you all, and I wanted to share because I've been enjoying all of these products. Maximum of them I've been using since the past 2-3 weeks, and I wanted to share because I feel like it will work out for most of them who are watching this video. You want to try some new cleanser, you can go ahead with this. You want to have something lightweight sort of a moisturizer, CeraVe is doing an amazing job, and I've already told you guys this skin tint is by far better than your expensive ones. Hydrating lipstick, hands down. I want to try more shades from this, and I'm excited that I'm very excited. And I'm sure if you guys have not tried this lipstick, whenever you're buying this, you are going to enjoy it, because not just because of the formula, but because of the hologram it has. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, because I enjoyed it making it for you all. And keep following, keep subscribing, and the moment you like this video, I will get to know that you have enjoyed this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.